Good morning again, everybody. This is Ralph back with another Affiliate Marketing for Beginners video. And this one is a topic that could be a little bit controversial with some people, like, why didn't I brush my hair before making this video? No, but there is a little bit of controversy surrounding this topic because a lot of people feel that when you're doing social media marketing, when you're doing YouTube video marketing, that the number of followers that you have count. And that's very important before you get started in affiliate marketing to make sure you got a lot of followers on Facebook, on X, on YouTube, wherever you want to be, you want to have a lot of followers, right? And actually, according to a lot of the people that I respect, that I listen to, that answer is no. Guys like Ray Higdon, they say that the number of followers that you have on social media marketing, if you're doing like network marketing or affiliate marketing, which pays in recurring commissions, that the number of followers that you have is really balderdash. It's meaningless. He calls it vanity metrics is what he calls it. And I agree, because what you want to do when you are on social media, if you want to make sales fast, don't worry about the number of followers that you have. Instead, be concerned about the number of DMs, direct messages that you send out to people. Don't be worried about putting up great content to attract a lot of followers over time. Instead, do a lot of time going across the social media platform and finding the people that you think might actually be interested in the product or service that you are selling, and then start connecting with those people. That's called networking. That's called prospecting. And that's where the real sales in affiliate marketing and network marketing can occur. If you are out there putting yourself out there, talking to people one-on-one. If you're just mass marketing, if you're just out there creating content, yes, you're going to get a lot of likes. If you're doing it right, you will be getting a lot of followers. Again, if you're doing it right. And even if you're not doing it right, your vibe will attract your tribe. So you will be collecting some people liking your stuff, whether, other professionals think it's good or not. But does that really matter in affiliate marketing or network marketing sales? No, not really. Those are just vanity metrics. What counts is the number of sales that you make per day, per week, per month, whatever your goals are. And yeah, if you're getting a lot of likes, you're getting a lot of shares, a lot of retweets, if the algorithm loves you and is putting you out there in front of a lot of people, well, that helps, yes. But if it's not followed by you making sales, that metric is meaningless. It's just vanity metrics. And where a lot of people get confused is they will be listening to people who are paid social media influencers or paid content creators. And if you are a paid content creator, then the advice that I just gave, you want to do the exact opposite. Yes, as a paid content creator on X or any other platform, your number of followers absolutely matters. On X, you can't even get monetized unless you have, what are the metrics right now? 500, 700, whatever, verified followers and 5 million impressions over a 3-month period. Yeah, if you're being a paid content creator or a social media influencer, then yeah, your following count matters. And you've got a lot of hoops to jump through on these various social media platforms. The same if you want to get monetized by YouTube on YouTube. And that's why I like affiliate marketing so much better. The bar of entry is much lower. You don't need 500 followers to become an affiliate marketer anywhere. All you have to do is be good at reaching out to people, contacting the right people, and seeing if they're interested in taking a look at your offer. And in the beginning, this will be hard because a lot of people aren't very good at talking to people in a non-salesy, non-threatening manner. A lot of people are more likely to just say, "Hey, you want to buy my product? Yeah, I'll send you my link. You want to look at my link?" And they're all excited. They're overly enthusiastic about wanting to give you that link. But over time, you begin to understand, you begin to see, it's not sending your link to people right away that matters. It's getting to know the people, see if they have a need for what you have to offer, and letting those people get to know you. And then once they get to know, like, and trust you, they're going to be 10 times more likely to buy than they would have previous to getting to knowing you and liking you and trusting you. So it's all an art of communication and getting your offer out in front of the right people. And you can do that with 0 followers on social media. Of course, it is a little bit easier to do it with a few followers, because that way people look at your account and they think, well, that guy's got a little bit of influence. Okay. Yeah, that guy's got like 500 followers or 5,000 followers. So yeah, he's more or less a recognized authority figure. But if you're really good at communicating with the right people and talking to the right people and asking the right people over time, once they get to know you, and this could happen in the course of a single day, actually. It doesn't have to take weeks and weeks and months. But once you get good at getting to know people, letting people get to know you, you can be making sales with very few, if any, followers. So there are social media influencers and paid content creators out there who are giving you the exact opposite advice. And I wasted a few years on social media following that advice before I really got in the same school as Ray Higdon and started figuring out, that stuff doesn't matter. But they're telling you, as a content creator, as an influencer, that your number of impressions matter, that your number of followers matter. But in affiliate marketing, network marketing, even if you're just promoting your own service online, your number of followers really does not matter. Impressions do not matter. Those are vanity metrics. What matters is how effectively you can craft your message and get that out in front of the right people. Not a mass market. I'm not talking about mass marketing. In my own niche, I'm in the self-improvement, work from home, make money online niche. Really, I'm not looking for the 80%ers, because 80% of the human race, they don't really care about that. Yeah, they dream about making money online. Everybody does, but they're not interested in actually taking action. They're not interested in doing a darn thing about making that happen. They're just, they don't believe in themselves. They don't believe it's possible, or they're just too darned lazy to actually do any work in that direction. But they will dream. And as long as those dreams remain only dreams, they can't be moved. They can't be budged. So in my niche, I don't worry about the 80%. 80%ers are not where it's at. I'm worried about the 20%, the 5%, the 2%, and the 1%. The people who are willing to dream and take action and improve their lives. That's my market. And so in my market, mass marketing, what's the use of it? What's the point in paying to get your message out in front of the 80%ers? Are they actually going to do anything about it? Probably not. But if you can get to know some 20%ers, some 15%ers, some 2%ers, and some 1%ers, people who are willing to put their dreams into action and take serious action about improving their lives, about doing business, about improving their lot in life, then those are the people that you can really do business with. And the best way I know of to start networking with those people, do a little bit of work on social media, finding the right people, and then start talking to them. And then see if you can't start making a few sales. So yeah, does my number of social media followers really count in affiliate marketing or network marketing? Well, in affiliate marketing, if you're focused on promoting offers that pay recurring commissions, and that not just one and done commissions, but recurring commissions, where you make a sale and you can likely be making money month after month after month off the same customer, then, you really don't have to worry about the mass marketing approach, your number of followers, things like that. Yes, it can make it a little bit more easier for you. If you want to generate leads coming in on a recurring basis, then yes, it is helpful, but it's not absolutely necessary. And it's not something that you need to stifle your progress by trying to achieve that. And some people, they will take no action for months or even years because they're so focused on building up their follower count. And that's not necessary to make sales. What is necessary to make sales? Getting to know the right people, letting the right people get to know you, and then asking them, would you like to take a look at what I do? You seem to have a need that I think my product here can address. Would you like to take a look? You've got a problem. You've told me a little bit about your problem. I have something that I believe will help you out. Do you want to take a look? And it's just the art of talking to people in a non-salesy, non-threatening, very helpful way, one-on-one. And that's where the magic begins. So don't get worried about the number of followers you have. If you're in affiliate marketing with recurring commissions or network marketing, yeah, those are just vanity metrics. What's not vanity? Getting comfortable talking to the right people. That is essential. And keeping your numbers high. Jim Rohn once said, anybody can become better at sales if you're willing to talk to lots and lots of people. What you lack in skills, you can make up for in numbers, is the exact quote. And so many people just ignore that advice. They think it's all about the number of followers, the number of fancy tools that I have, the number of gadgets that I have, the number of paid advertisements that I put out there. And sometimes those things can be helpful. But the most basic thing you can do is just go out there and start talking to lots of people. And yeah, in the beginning, it will be hard if you've never done it before. I know it was hard for me. And you will suck at it. But if you keep showing up, keep talking to lots of people, you will get better and you will start making sales. So that's the key. 15 people a day, 20 people a day. If you're really good, 10 people a day, you might be able to make a sale every day off of that if you're good. But, your numbers will vary depending on your skill level. But just get out there and start talking to people. Don't worry about your number of followers. That number will increase over time. Your number of impressions will increase over time. Your number of likes and shares and all that stuff, that will increase over time. But it's not absolutely essential to have that stuff before you start making sales. You can be making sales without any of that stuff. Remember, that's just vanity metrics. Unless, of course, you want to be a paid content creator or a big social media influencer. That's not my bag. That's not what I do. I do affiliate marketing, promoting offers that pay recurring commissions. And while we're on that note, before I end this video, if you'd like to take a look at what I do by way of affiliate marketing, I'm in an affiliate marketing school that pays 80% recurring commissions. You can get started for as little as $10 or $25 or go all in for like $160 for all three of our recurring levels. But yeah, it's been around since 2016. We've got a lot of training, we've got a lot of help. The owners of this company actually care about your level of success, and they're there to help you, on either a weekly basis, at some levels on a daily basis. So if you'd like to take a look, go to my main affiliate link, which is ralphshomebiz.com, and that link will be in the program description down below. Take a look at it, see what you think. Okay, Ralph signing out. Have a great day. Be back later with more affiliate marketing topics. Till then, have a good one, people. Bye-bye. As always, please remember to like, share, and subscribe.